How to create a DevSecOps pipeline. Creating a DevSecOps pipeline involves integrating security practices into the entire software development and deployment process. The goal is to ensure that security is considered at every stage of development, from code creation to deployment. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a DevSecOps pipeline. Planning and preparation. 1. Define security requirements. Identify the security requirements and compliance standards relevant to your application or organization. 2. Select tools. Choose tools for code analysis, vulnerability scanning, penetration testing, and security monitoring. Source code management. 1. Use a version control system, e.g., Git, to manage your source code. 2. Enforce code review practices to catch security issues early. Continuous integration, C. 1. Use a C server, e.g., Jenkins, CircleCI, GitLab CI, CD, to automate the build and testing process. 2. Include security-focused tests, such as static code analysis and unit tests. 3. Integrate security scanners to identify vulnerabilities and compliance violations. Artifact repository. 1. Store built artifacts in a secure repository, e.g., Nexus, Artifactory, with proper access controls. Continuous deployment, CD. 1. Automate deployment processes using infrastructure as code, IAC, tools like Terraform or Ansible. 2. Include security checks before deploying, such as vulnerability assessments and configuration validation. Infrastructure security. 1. Use a secure baseline configuration for your infrastructure components. 2. Employ tools like Kubernetes for container orchestration. Applying security configurations like pod security policies. Monitoring and logging. 1. Implement security monitoring and logging tools, e.g., Elk Stack, Splunk, to detect and respond to security incidents. 2. Set up alerts for suspicious activities or deviations from expected behaviors. Security testing. 1. Conduct regular vulnerability assessments and penetration testing to identify and address security weaknesses. 2. Integrate automated security testing tools into the pipeline. Compliance and auditing. 1. Regularly audit your pipeline and infrastructure against compliance standards, e.g., GDPR, HIPAA. 2. Document your security practices and maintain an up-to-date record of compliance efforts. Incident response. 1. Develop an incident response plan outlining steps to take in case of a security breach. 2. Practice and refine your incident response plan through simulations. 1. Education and training. 1. Provide training to development and operations teams on security best practices. 2. Foster a culture of security awareness throughout the organization. 1. Continuous improvement. 1. Regularly review and update your DevSecOps pipeline based on new threats, tools, and best practices. Remember that DevSecOps is a mindset rather than a one-time setup. It involves continuous improvement, collaboration, and a commitment to integrating security throughout the software development lifecycle. Each organization's pipeline will be unique, tailored to its technology stack, security requirements, and development processes. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.